Humanity's great sin is to deny the glory of God. It's to rob, ignore, undermine the glory of God. That's our great sin. We are glory hogs, glory stealers, glory defamers. We aim in our sinful rebellion against God to glorify ourselves. Humanity in its sin cries, we will choose what is good and what is evil. We will decide. We will call this harmful and that beautiful, not God, but us. We will decide genders. We will follow our own hearts. We will live our own lives. We will walk in our own truth. We will proudly fly our own flag as the captain of our own souls. And at the moment of Adam and Eve's sinful rebellion and their glory stealing, the whole cosmos was disturbed. We were appointed by God as God's stewards over his good creation. Yet far from subduing nature or stewarding it well, what did we do? We bowed to creation. Our ancestors listened to a snake in the grass. They chose the voice of creation over the voice of their Creator. And claiming to be wise, they became fools. And they exchanged the glory of the immortal God for things resembling mortal man and birds and animals and creeping things.